the question of June 2004 and question number 5, paper 4. And P is moved in a straight line, passes through O. So particle, the velocity of P after time t second is given by this formula. Okay. And he mentioned that at time t0, the particle is at rest, the point where displacement is minus 36. I repeat, like a observer is here somewhere, but when I say time is 0, so velocity was just starting from there, and displacement is, it means from here observer 36 meter back. So I hope so. First, the particle will go towards observer, and when it reaches here, displacement becomes 0, and then displacement become positive. So here displacement is negative, here displacement 0, and here displacement become positive. I hope so clear. So what the first part is asking us that find our expression for displacement from O. So let's start. And all of you know the 3 levels are there, that displacement. I can write S for displacement, differentiate, I get velocity, differentiate, I get acceleration. So differentiate and differentiate. If I want to come down, integrate and integrate. So I am on the level of velocity and I'm looking for displacement. So naturally I will integrate. So let's start. Integrate both sides. So I get S equals to integral sign 20t minus t to power 3, and dt is must. So S equal increase the power. What is the power of t? 1. So it becomes 2 by 2. What is power of t? 3. So add 1, 4 by 4, and plus c. Okay. Now I will plug in this data. I will say here, put the time is equal to 0 and S is equal to minus 36. So when I place this value here, and this is 10, and 10 into 0 and minus 0 plus c. So c becomes minus 36. This equation back here. So I got displacement is 10t to power 2 minus t to power 4 over 4, and that's and minus 36, sorry. So I got a pure expression of displacement, what he was asking for. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, done. Part number 2, find displacement of when time is 4. So simply plug in 4 here. So t equal to 4. So as I plug in 4 here, what happens then? S is equals to 10 times 2, 4 to power 2 and 4 to power 4 by 4 and minus 36. So S is matter of typing in calculator. So let's start. It becomes 10 times 2. 10 times 2, 16, and minus 4 to power 3, and divided by 4, and minus 36. So answer is coming 108 meters. So first part ends here, and second part ends here, because he was asking us that when time for what was displacement. As no, it is a positive 108. It means I understood that particle is ahead of observer somewhere here. Part number 3, find the values of t when particle is at observer. I just discussed with you, if displacement is negative, it means behind of observer. If this means positive, ahead of observer. And if displacement is 0, it means beside of observer. So I will plug in here for part number 3, put S is equal to 0. And when I plug in S is equal to 0, students, what happens then? So let's see what happens then. Okay, so have a look. But where displacement? Displacement is here. I'm going to plug in here. So let's start. So 0 equal to 10t to power 2 minus t to 4 over 4 and minus 36. First of all, I multiply 4 because this 4 is disturbing to me. So I can say here 0, 40t to power 2 minus t to power 4, 6 4 24, 2 carry. So 144. I bring all left hand side t for positive, 40t square negative, and this become 144. Now I have two choices. Either I can factorize, but make sure. Okay, I'll say like this. I'll say let t to power 2 equal to k. So squaring both sides, t to the power 4 equal to k to power 2. So this I replaced by k to the power 4, k to the power 2, sorry, 40k and plus 144. So I mean to say, two options are there. One option is factorization and one option is quadratic formula. So I think a quadratic formula I apply because some students getting issues. Minus 40 plus and minus b square minus 4a is 1 and c is 144 over 2a. And when I check the answers, first answer I'm getting 4 and second answer I'm getting 36. Game is not finished. This value I will plug in here and get a t to power 2 equal to 4 and t to power 2 equal to 6. Root of both sides, I get plus and minus 2, but you know minus time is never possible. So only time is coming is 2 seconds. And here I got what here? 36, and I take a root of the both side, I get a 6 seconds. So it means there are two possibilities, two time. First, it was traveling when reach first time here, time is 2 seconds. Then goes away and stops somewhere and come back again. Time that moment is 6 seconds. So two possibilities, two times are there. And what was the question he was asking? Find the times, so values of time. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So it means I got those two times where the displacement is equals to 0. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Yes, student, there's one mistake here. I just make correction. That is when I plug in this values. So this is coming 60. Okay, so 60 meters. So this is only correction and rest all parts are clear. Alhamdulillah.